Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to whiten teeth in Adobe Photoshop 2003. First of all, make sure to create adjustment layer here. So we're going to create adjustment layer by clicking on photo filter. Just select cooling filter 82. Leave it there. Let's create another adjustment layer, which is the black and white adjustment layer. Now this one, we don't have to touch it at all, just leave it. Let's create another adjustment layer. This time we are creating curve adjustment layer. Now let's hold the bar and take it up a little, take it up a little, not too much, not too much. Now close the button. Now make sure to select the curve layer, right click on it and create clipping marks. Also hold right click on the black and white adjustment layer and create clipping marks. Now let's, on this one, on the photo filter adjustment, hold on Ctrl plus I on your Windows or on your iOS. On your Mac, hold on Control Command plus I to invert this layer. Now hold on Control on the keyboard and select the three layers here. Right click and create a group. Name it teeth, or you can give it any name. I will give it skin. So I will open the layer, I will open the folder, select the marks here, which is the photo filter marks. Make sure the foreground is white, the opacity is 100%, the flow is also 100%, and select your brush tool. Make sure your hardness of your brush is 0 and select the size of your brush. Now paint on the teeth, paint on the teeth gradually, paint on the teeth gradually, paint on the teeth. Don't paint on the gum. The gum is not supposed to be white. Gum, if you paint on the gum, it's not going to look natural. So make sure you avoid painting on the gum. Use paint on the teeth only. 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 Take your time and do it so that you get it accurate. So you can see it. Make sure you give it, yeah, you can see before, after, before, after. But if in the process of whitening the teeth you made a mistake, don't worry, you just have to come and select your colors. Make sure the foreground is black and the background is white. Choose a brush and clear where you want to avoid. So now you can see the teeth is white. This was before and now. In case you feel the teeth is too white, you can come to the opacity here and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. So now, yeah. So this was before, and this was after. This before and this after. Thank you for watching. In case you like the video, hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a video you'll get notified. Please subscribe to get me motivated to bring more of these videos. Thank you for watching.